Create request for quotation. Before we going to create and start the project, we need the materials right. So we can purchase it from our suppliers. To purchase the material, we need to raise a RFQ to each supplier to get the required price. Before we raise the RFQ, we should create the material information in our order system. To create a product, I'm going to log in as an admin. Go to menu, click construction management. Under the products, you can see product. So here you can see I already created some of the products. I'm going to create a new product. Product name first, PSAN, and the product type should be storable product because we are storing the product, right? So it should be storable product. And the unit of measurement in tons. Sorry. And the product category should be material. That's all. Then save the product. The product is created. Now we can raise the RFQ to our suppliers. To raise the RFQ, go to construction management. Under the orders, you can see RFQ menu. Click that and create button. First, we need to select our vendor amount. Then the purchase order type should be material. Then select the material, piece and I'm going to purchase it for 3 tons. Okay, the quantity 3 ton. Then save. Now the request or the quotation is created. So the supplier can able to see the request or the quotation in their portal. Okay, let me show it to you. I'm going to log in as a supplier. So here they can see their RFQ. Okay, piece and quantity 3, all things. Okay, so here they can chat and they can share their price. So the admin person can able to see this chat from their portal. Then if the admin is okay with the price, then they can convert the RFQ into purchase order. Let me show it. So this is how the supplier can able to edit chat and attach any PDF in the chat. Okay, then send it. So now the admin can able to see this chat from their portal. Let me show it. So I'm going to log in as admin. Okay, go to construction management, orders, RFQ. Then is an RFQ number. So here admin can able to see this chat and download it and update the price in the RFQ. Okay, 8.12. Once the admin is okay with the price, then they can convert the RFQ into purchase order. They confirm the order. Okay. Now the RFQ is converted into purchase order. Here you can see, right? So that's how we can create the RFQ.